How to fix ARC Raiders connection to game server lost error code AREX0003. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you couples of troubleshooting steps for you to bypass this kind of issue if you're encountering this error code on ARC Raiders. First things first, error code AREX0003 in ARC Raiders is actually a general connection to game server lost error, and it typically triggers during matchmaking or mid-raid, causing your game to freeze. This is actually most often caused by local firewall antivirus interference or unstable DNS caching or temporary server-side instability. So the very first thing that you want to have to do is to clear cache by your IP configuration. Open up your Windows search and then simply type in CMD. Make sure that you're running this as an administrator. And here are a few commands that you need to execute on the CMD prompt. First is to do the ipconfig space flush DNS, ipconfig space release, ipconfig space / renew, and then netsh winsock reset. Once you've done this, make sure that you restart your PC before you relaunch the game. Next is to make sure the time zone that you have in your current PC you're using is actually synced. Just go into date and time settings, and then in here, make sure that it is set automatically and make sure that you used this option here that says sync now. So those are the most common troubleshooting steps that you can do for you to fix ARC Raiders connection to game server lost AREX0003.